I'm going to show you how to do this fishtail braid with break-off strands. These break-off strands are going to give you nice delicate details on the sides of the braid. I will be using my 9-cord braids braiding cap, and I will be using the mirrored section. Now this fishtail braid with break-off strand is a mirrored braid. Mirrored braids simply means that the colors are paired, yellow, orange, red, and pink, and that the order of the colors mirror each other. Let's do a quick recap on how to do a fishtail braid. Now a fishtail braid is a 2-strand braid, your left and your right. And your paired colors are going to crisscross. Outside right yellow is going to go to inner left, and outside left yellow is going to go to inner right. Oranges crisscross, and reds crisscross, and pinks crisscross. So this is how you do a fishtail braid. Now to do a fishtail braid with break-off strands, the paired colors are still going to crisscross, but before they do, we're going to do a little break-off. So yellow is going to go first. Before yellow crosses over to inner left, we are going to remove 2 yarns. 2 strands of yarn is going to be moved to the top. Now yellow is going to cross over to inner left. On the left hand side, before having left yellow cross over to inner right, we are going to remove 2 strands of yarns. Move it to the top, and now left yellow is ready to cross over to inner right. Orange is turned. Before having orange cross over to inner left, we're going to remove 2 strands of yarn, and we're going to trade these 2 strands of yarn with yellow. So the yellow is going to come down, and it's going to come down and go to the back of orange. So orange will be in the front and yellow will be in the back. Yellow, the 2 strands of yellow are now going to join the main orange, and together they're going to cross to inner left. Left side, before left orange crosses over to inner right, we're going to remove 2 strands of yarn, and these 2 strands are going to trade places with yellow on top. Yellow is going to go behind orange, orange is in the front, orange now goes in the top, and the 2 yellow strands with the main orange are now going to go to inner right together. Red's turn. Before having red cross over to inner left, we're going to remove 2 strands of yarn. These 2 strands of yarn are going to trade places with the yarn on top, orange. Orange is going to go behind red. Red is going to be in front of orange, and red is going to go up. The 2 strands of orange are now going to join the main red, and together they're going to go to inner left. Left side red, before crossing over, we're going to remove 2 strands of yarn. They're going to go up, trade places with orange. Orange is going to stay behind red, red is in the front. These 2 strands of orange are going to join red's main strand. And together they're going to cross to inner right. Pink's turn to crisscross. Before having right side pink cross over, we need to remove 2 strands of pink. These 2 strands of pink are going to trade places with red. Red is going to go behind these 2 strands. Pink is going to go up. These 2 red strands are going to join pink's main strand, and together they're going to travel to inner left. On the left hand side, before having pink cross over, we're going to remove 2 strands of pink. These 2 strands are going to go up and trade places with red. Red is going to go behind pink, join pink's main strand, and together they're going to cross to inner right. Let's continue with yellow. Yellow, we're going to remove 2 strands. These 2 strands are going to trade with pink. Pink is going to go behind yellow. Yellow is going to go on top. And together, yellow and pink are going to go to inner left. Yellow on the left, removing 2 strands, trading places with pink. Pink is going to go behind yellow. And together, yellow and pink are going to cross to inner right. Orange's turn. Before crossing over, we're going to remove 2 strands of orange. Trade places with yellow. Yellow is going to go behind those two strands. Orange goes on top. And together, yellow and orange goes to inner left. Orange on the left-hand side before crossing over. We're going to remove two strands. Trade places with yellow. Yellow is going to go behind those two strands. And together, yellow and orange are going to cross to inner right. Red's turn. Removing two strands of red. Trading places with orange. Orange is going to go in the back. Red's going to go on top. And together, they're going to cross to inner left. Red from the left. We're going to remove two strands. These two strands are going to trade places with orange. Orange is going to go behind red. Red's two strands are going to go on top. And orange and red are going to cross to inner right. Pink's turn. We're going to remove two strands of pink. Trade places with red. Red's going to be behind pink. Pink is going to the top. Together, pink and red is going to travel to inner left. And pink on the left-hand side, removing two strands. These two strands are going to trade places with red on top. Red is going to go behind pink. Pink is going to go to the top. And together, pink and red are going to travel to inner right. And when you're done with the braid, we bring down the pink strands. They're going to crisscross as well. And you would tie your braid right there. And then you can see the details added on the sides. There's your red, your pink, your yellow, your orange. Nice details, very delicate, added to this fishtail braid. Now let's go ahead and try this on a mannequin head. On the mannequin head, I went ahead and I grabbed the crown area and I tied it right here so that we can braid down the middle. To make it easier to transition from braiding cap to mannequin head, I went ahead and provided you with color-coded hair ties. We're going to replicate those 8 sections. The easiest way to divide 8 even sections is to start with 2. So we're going to take the hair, divide it into 2 even sections. This will be my left strand and my right strand. I'm going to put the left to the side. I'm going to work with the right hand strand. To divide this into 4 even sections, I need to divide it into 2. Making sure they're even, I'm now going to divide this one into 2 even sections and 2 even sections. This will be my yellow, this will be my orange. I'm going to tie the hair tie twice around the hair, just enough so that it stays, but loose enough so that I can push it down as I braid. Now that I got my yellow and my orange, it's time to divide for red and pink. So dividing this section into 2, making sure it's even. So the right hand side has been perfectly divided into 4. I'm going to repeat the same process for the left strand, dividing into 2 and then dividing those 2 into 2. I now have my 2 strands divided into 4 pairs of colors. This is going to help with keeping my sections nicely separated and help us keep track. We are now ready to start our fishtail braid with break-off strands. And to help me catch those break-off strands, I added 2 hair clips on top of the head. Let's get started. Yellow is going to crisscross, but before it does so, I need to break off a strand. So I'm going to remove the hair tie. I'm going to break off a very small strand. And I'm going to bring it to the top. Now I'm going to cross over yellow to the inner left. Yellow on the left. Before crossing over to inner right, I'm going to remove the hair tie. I'm going to break off a little strand and I'm going to bring it to the top. Here's my left yellow traveling to inner right. Next is orange. Before crossing over, I need to break off a strand. Breaking off a very tiny strand of orange. I'm going to trade the orange break off with the yellow, and yellow is going to go behind it. Orange is going to go on top. And now the yellow break off and orange is going to travel to inner left. Orange on the left, we need to break off a strand. Breaking off a very small strand. We're going to trade places with yellow on top. Yellow is going to go behind it. Orange is going to go in front of it. This is orange going on top of the head. Here's my yellow, joining my main orange, 2 cross, 2 inner right. Red's turn to crisscross. We need to break off a piece of red. Here's my small break off. Going to trade places with orange on top. Orange is going to go behind it. Red is going to go on top. Orange is going to join red's main strand to cross over to inner left. Red on the left, we need to break off a strand. Here's my small break off. I'm going to trade places with orange. Orange is going to go behind red to join red's main strand, and red's break off is going to go on top. Now together, orange and red are going to cross over to inner right. Pink's turn. Removing the hair tie. We need to break off a piece of pink. We're going to trade places with red on top. Red is going to go behind pink to join pink's main strand while pink goes on top. Here's red's break off, joining pink to cross to inner left. And on the left hand side, here's pink. Breaking off a piece of pink. Pink's break off is going to go on top. Trading places with red. Red is going to go behind pink's break off, and pink's going to go on top. Red is going to join pink's main strand and cross over to inner right. Now because each strand has weaved through the braid, they are now nicely separated. So here we have our yellow. Here's our orange, our red, and our pink. So let's keep going with yellow. I'm going to break off a piece of yellow. Bring it up, trade places with pink. Pink is going to go behind it. Yellow is going to go on top, but it's going to fall. So what I'm going to do is just leave it in the back. So here's my pink strand, joining my yellow to cross to inner left. And my yellow break off is right here, and I'm going to leave it in the back. On the left hand side, here's my yellow. I'm going to do a small break off. Here it is. Yellow is going to trade with pink. Pink's going to go behind it, join my yellow, and I'm going to leave my yellow break off in the back. And now yellow and pink are crossing over to inner right. So here's my break off, and here's my break off. Next is orange. Here's my orange, breaking off a piece. Here's orange's break off. Here's yellow, trading places. Yellow goes in the back. Yellow's break off is joining orange main strand and crossing over to inner left. This is orange break off. We're just going to leave it back here. On the left hand side, here's my orange. This is my yellow break off. I need to break off a piece of orange. It's right there. We're going to trade places with yellow, which is right here, and yellow and orange are going to cross to inner right. Now it's red's turn. Breaking off a piece of red. Here's my orange. Here's my red break off. Trading places. My orange break off is joining my red to cross over to inner left. On the left hand side, here's my red. Breaking off a piece. Trading places with orange, orange going in the back. And orange's break off joining the main red to cross over to inner right. Next is pink. Here's my pink strand. Breaking off a piece. Trading places with red. Pink and red crossing over to inner left. And this is pink's break off. On the left, here's pink. Breaking off a piece. Trading places with red. Red going behind it. Pink, which is going to stay behind. Pink and red crossing over to inner right. And when you're done, you're going to grab the 2 pink break-offs and we're going to crisscross them. And we're going to tie the hair right there. And this is your fishtail braid with break-off strands. As you can see, we added beautiful, delicate details on the side of your braid.